guys, I'm gonna grab some strapping, and we're gonna get a screw put in, hopefully, and mount my wiring up a little neater. Just gotta grab a little tiny screw, and I have the strap here, and I gotta do this by hand because the drill will not fit up in the ceiling cavity. So fun. So if I kind of go like this, is it better to go like that so it doesn't? No, I guess that's okay. It'll be pulled tight anyway once I figure out how much wire I need and etc. There we go. Looks a little bit better, but once I don't want to have it too tight because I still got to wire it back in the solar panel area, guys, to the battery, so you guys can see that. Let me zoom in a bit. There it is, fastened together. Should be out of the way somewhat when screwing that in. I can always add another one there. Maybe I should, since what the heck, right? I have very little left of those, but I think, actually no. I'm gonna chance it, guys, because when I pull slack either way, it's gonna pull these guys up. What I can do though is tape those maybe together. No, I won't even do that, I don't think. It'll be okay, because I'm going to be under the 2x4. So, I think we'll be okay. So let's go ahead and get you guys set up. I'm going to mess around with this master switch, hopefully. Hopefully my camera does not fall. I will grab the pencil and master switch and see what I can get done. All this work, guys. It's crazy. Okay, so I'll try to make it as high as possible. Right over center of the hole there. Wonder if I should just take a tape measure and get the measurement. Might be easier. Let me grab a tape and we will see what happens. Three and a half inches. Yep. I'll kind of go higher here. Or actually up there's probably good. 3.5 is here. what's my width? Let's see. 6.5. Oops. Six and a half. Six and a half. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is make sure on this side that I'm missing. So there's the hole. Measure over on the 2x4. It's 4.5. So yeah, I missed the 2x4 because the 2x4 is right here. Now I need a straight edge and probably a level. Yeah. You guys can't even see that, can you? Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna grab a level and see what I can get done here, guys. I have a level that's pretty small, but it'll be perfect for what I'm doing over there. I could. A lot of my subscribers mentioned I should have used a level while doing the ceiling. I agree, but I don't have one quite that long enough. As you'll find out shortly when I come back over there. It'll be as big as I need it for this job anyway. Here's my little baby level that came out of that toolbox. So I'm going to try to get things level. God, that looks awfully not level. Huh. Weird. Doesn't look level to me. Maybe it's because of the wall or the trailer. Well, good thing I'm using pencil because if I gotta erase it, I gotta erase it. Okay, that's level. So let's combine the line. So about there, guys. Yeah. You guys even see that on camera? Oh yeah, I guess you can see part of it. This says it's level. I'm gonna trust this. Dead to the money there. Yeah. Oops, over to the line a bit. Yep, level. Level. Okay, so that will be my cutout. Now I made it, obviously made it a little smaller so all the electronics can pass through, but I still have the ability to mount it. and go from there. Now, cutting it out is going to be something I will have to do with I believe a Sawzall would be good, which I do not have today, but that's fine. I'll cut that out via Sawzall. I'll bring basically a spade bit, which is basically drills a large hole, and just inside the lines here I'll do it. Then I'll add my Sawzall and follow the lines, and hopefully this thing will fit snug. And at least I now have it marked and know where to go. Perfect. So that went rather quickly. So now I have to do the plywood, covering that with the survival blanket. Tedious job that I do not like, and I think I'll save you guys this time from watching me do it. What do you think? How many people liked actually me sitting on the plywood using tape? I don't know. I don't get it. But I made 2 videos of that already, guys, so I'll skip that so you guys don't have to watch me do that again and have me figure out what I'm gonna do to keep you entertained. I told a couple stories last time and stuff, but I'm all out of stories for now. I'm fresh out. What are we at? 63.6 inside now, and it's 69 out. Humidity's actually gone up since the door's open in here. Go figure. What I can do to avoid the survival blanket is possibly run some wiring for this. And I'm thinking I like that idea at this moment. What do we have for wiring? That will be the question. Okay. So let's check out my new electrical box that I put together and see what kind of options I have. Probably very few. Yeah, this wire is too thin for that ceiling fan, though I can use it for the LED lights, I'm sure. You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna get stuck using the 10 gauge wire. I really think that's what's gonna happen. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. So I don't actually, hold on. There is a spool back here of heavier stuff, though it is not color coded. And the length is questionable at best. Here we go. Let me spool this out. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this end of the wire. Because if you watch my other video, guys, the copper wire here just cracked and brittled very easily. So I need to put a side cutter in here because that's kind of important. I think I have more than one, so I'm going to dedicate one to my electrical box for sure. But this is a lot heavier gauge, stranded. Don't know if you can really tell on camera, but Desperate times, guys, desperate times. Worst comes to worst, if this stuff does work, what I'll do is, oh, wait a minute. There's another connection here for some reason. Oh, great. So this isn't very long at all then. That's one piece. So this is actually my longest piece right here. I don't know if that will be long enough. Oh man, I had my hopes up. We'll pull this out and we'll see. Something tells me no. No, it will not happen. Nope, not long enough. So I'll save this wire then for back over at the behind the master switch, because this is pretty heavy. It's not too bad. Save that for that. And yeah, that kind of sucks, guys. I don't know. What I'll do is I'm gonna cut a bunch of the wire off on the spool then back there, bring you guys with, because I don't know how much I'm actually gonna need. I have all this hanging, so when I cut this down here, it should be enough. I just don't want to cut it too short. So what I'll do is I'll spool out some wire and then I'll use this wire up there and go from there. That should easily be plenty for what I'm doing. So I'm going to cut that. And I'm going to cut this. And now I have wire I can use for wiring that ceiling fan in. It may be overkill, probably is, but that's going to be the longest load distance that I'm going to have. So let's see what I can get done. I'm going to see if the 10 gauge even works in that that connector up there. So let's turn you guys this way. Aim at the connector. Then I'll bring the spools of wire over and try this thing out. Okay, so I'm going to cut the wire via my handy dandy coax tool, because I do not need a ton of insulations off. I just need a bit. Oh yeah. Pliers needed. There we go. That may be too much, but I'll deal with that in a minute. For now, twist it tight together, and that's the hefty 10 gauge there. So I'll do the same. Actually, I'll do the same on the negative wire. Even if it doesn't work, at least these wires are prepped and ready to roll for another project. So that's kind of the main thing. Alright, it should be done. Ugh. You can do it. maybe. Oh, there we go. I had to bend the insulation a bit just so it would break off where I scored it. There we go. This might be, yeah, this is too much wire sticking out. So obviously I'm going to cut that. Too long. But I'm going to go up on the ladder, check to see if the positive wire can actually be hooked up to this thing. Hopefully I can do it on camera for you guys. So the positive is going to be red, and it's going to go this side of the world. Though I need to I don't think it's gonna work. It's too thick. Too thick of a wire. No good, guys. Oh well. At least these spools are ready for next time. Oh well. I tried. I can always take some copper off, but kind of not a good thing to do. You want to kind of have the entire wire strands up in there, so I don't want to deal with a nightmare after the fact. So what I need is some decent sized wire. I wonder, I don't even know the size of that wire for that ceiling fan, but I don't know. Maybe 12 gauge would work. 12 or 14 too. Well, yeah. I think that would be the answer. I don't know if I don't have any wire for that today, so that kind of sucks. But at least what I can do is I'll get my plywood sheet ready and survival blanket the top of it. At least that's out of the way. And then, yeah, that'll be it. So I'll throw the radio on, guys, listen to some music while I do that. And unfortunately, you guys can't join me for that because YouTube is just wonderful about those things. Oh boy. Okay, so that's it for now, for today then, guys. I'm going to finish up one of the next pieces of plywood. And I'm out of here for now. But I got a lot done, I thought. Not too bad. That's the main thing, get a little bit done every day. And The Walking Dead is on tonight, the premiere. Perfect. So I'll have something to watch. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. My wiring is, you know, I ran out of supplies basically for the wiring for this. So I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do next. But that's it for now, guys. We'll see you on the next one, alright? Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House, checking out. And hopefully you guys are thumbing up my videos, commenting, sharing, and even consider maybe possibly becoming a Patreon member for as low as $1 a month. And that will help me out greatly to continue doing these videos for you guys. And when you become a Patreon, you get all my videos ad-free, and you get them way ahead before I put them on YouTube. So consider that for $1 a month. That's pretty good, because considering I put out a video every day, and then on Patreon I put out hours of video all at once. Then you can watch it at your leisure with no ads, and you get it before everybody else here on YouTube. So my camera's about to die, so I'm checking out, guys. Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. See you on the next one.